How to use Find My iPhone to track your lost or stolen iOS device. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Before you lose your mobile, make sure you have these settings enabled in order to be able to find your lost or stolen iOS device. So launch the Settings application and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and then tap on the Find My option and then on Find My iPhone. Go ahead and enable Find My iPhone, Find My Network, and Send Last Location toggle buttons. And now, if you've lost your iPhone, the first way to find it is use another Apple device or computer. Open the Find My app on any Apple device, or you can simply visit icloud.com/find on your desktop and then sign in with your Apple ID. Now, if your iPhone is online, you will see its real-time location, and if it's offline, you will see the last known location. You can tap on the play sound option you see there to make it ring, even if it is on silent, or you can activate the lost mode to lock your phone remotely and display a message like your contact info on the screen. And if needed, you can erase the iPhone. So tap on the Erase iPhone option if you are sure it's stolen or unrecoverable. Now, you can use Erase iPhone to wipe it completely, and after erasing, you cannot track it anymore. So this is how you can use Find My iPhone to track your lost or stolen iOS device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.